Study about the kinetics of protein drug binding. It is a reversible protein drug binding we had studied, like protein plus drug is equal to protein plus drug complex. Now K is equation equilibrium constant is equals to PD complex upon P plus P or into D. D is the concentration of free drug, concentration of free protein, and it is protein drug complex concentration. Now we'll multiply over this, we'll shift PD over left hand side, so K P into D is equals to PD complex. Now for example, we had said that total protein level, what is total protein is present is equal to free protein plus protein drug complex. So PT equals to P will be equals to, it will shift over here, PT minus PD. Now this is equation 3. Now we'll put the value of P in this equation 1, right? Equation 1. If we put the value of P from this equation, we will get K D PT is equals to PD plus K in this term. Now we'll put all the K terms one side and P terms over one side. K is equal to P minus PT, PD product into D is equals to PD. We'll put the PD term over one side, so KPT equals to PD 1 plus KD. So now PD will be equals to KPT upon this 1 plus KD. Now PD upon PT, which equals to R, is moles of drug bound per moles of total protein will be equals to K bracket में D upon 1 plus KD. Now the application of protein drug significance, we had studied absorption. If the protein drug complex will form, then the absorption will be less, distribution will be lesser, metabolism, like drug protein complex can't be able to metabolize and show its action, so decreases the metabolic activity, elimination will be unbound drug is not possible, or drug action, so that the drug will be accumulated. Drug action, this protein drug is inactive and the drug, therefore the drug sufficient action can't be shown because not sufficient concentration of the drug is present. Systematic solubility of the drug will decrease. Now the diagnosis in this, we know that the chloroquine used to cure the malaria, so we'll replace the chlorine of this chloroquine to the iodine, radioactive iodine 131. It is used to visualize the myeloma of the eye, since chloroquine has under, this is used, iodine 131 can be used to detect the myeloma of the eye. Now drug and drug टारगेटिंग एंड दिस ड्रग प्रोटीन कॉम्प्लेक्स ऐसा बनाएंगे कि वो पर्टिकुलरली उसी साइड पे जाकर अटैच हो, जैसे कि हमारे कैंसरस सेल या फिर इन सब पे अटैच हो और वही एक्शन शो करे, ना कि पूरी होल बॉडी में. डिस्प्लेसमेंट का तो हमने वार्फरिन